We understand that not everyone has the budget for high-end products. In today's video, we're excited to present a range of fantastic, wallet-friendly options. Please take a moment to explore the description for the most current pricing and comprehensive details about our featured products. Nutribullet NBP50100. If you want versatile everyday food processors, the Nutribullet NBP50100 7-cup food processors is for you. This is down to its do-it-all attachment, which include a dough hook, a chopping blades, 2 reversible slicing and shredding disc, and a spiralizing insert. Most users were particularly impressed with these attachments. They were very easy to set up and produced long spiral of carrot and potatoes. There are 3 speeds, low, high, and pulses, and Cameron used all to make everything from shake to off. After weeks of usage, we think it's an ideal everyday food processors for any household, she reports. Despite this huge selection, the attachment can be easily stored in the bowls other than one discs, which doesn't fit inside. This is important to note since food processors that don't allow for in-bowl storages take up more valuable storage spaces. At just 6 pounds, the Nutribullet 7-cup food processors is also very lightweight and need to know if you are not storing it on the countertops. It's easy to clean, most of the removable part are dishwasher safe, and the plastics is BPA free. As with a lot of Nutribullet product, it comes with a comprehensive recipes book that is great to get you started using the machines. However, it isn't amazing on doughs, and the capacity is half that of the biggest food processors we've seen. Ninja BN601. The Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor is a powerful kitchen appliance that can handle tough ingredients with ease. With 1000 peak watts and 4 versatile functions, this food processor delivers professional performance and allows you to chop, slice, puree, and make dough with just one appliance. It has a large 9-cup processing bowl, perfect for handling both small and large batches of ingredients. The powerful dough mixer can quickly mix up to 2 lbs of dough in just around 30 seconds. The processor is easy to clean, with all parts being dishwasher safe. It also comes with a 20-recipe inspiration guide. This Ninja food processor is highly recommended for its power, versatility, and ease of use. The Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor is a reliable and powerful kitchen appliance with excellent performance. Its versatility in handling different food prep tasks, large processing capacity, and quick dough mixing make it a great choice for home cooks and large families. The included recipe inspiration guide is a bonus for those looking for new ideas, although it has a few drawbacks, such as the inability to grind certain ingredients and the challenging cleaning process. The Ninja food processor is highly recommended for its power, ease of use, and quality results. GE food processor. This food processor combines a powerful motors with sharp blade, so if you want to get your hummus super smooth or sweet potato shredded quickly, this is in great options. We were very happy with how easy this machine was to set up, use, and clean. It was simple and straightforward. Its biggest selling points is its versatility. Rather than just coming with a standard blade, slicing discs, and grating disc, this also comes with a French fry discs, dough blades, emulsifying disc, mini chopping bowls, and spatula. With just 3 settings, it's in powerful appliances with super sharp blades. This food processor is easy to clean by hand, but we did get cuts on both and attachments and the blade. You just have to be cautious because of how sharp it is. It also had a bit of inconsistency when chopping onion and zucchini, but we felt that it was in great value that's worthy of recommending to friends and family. Hamilton Beach 70585. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor, hailed as the epitome of culinary convenience and efficiency. This powerhouse boasts a 14-cup bowl for substantial tasks and a 4-cup mini bowl for more intimate creations, offering unparalleled versatility. Crafted with BPA-free materials and armed with precision stainless steel blades, it ensures both safety and top-notch performance. The robust 500-watt motor, coupled with a 3-speed selection, effortlessly tackles various ingredients with ease. What sets it apart as the best food processor is the innovative Stack and Snap design, eliminating the hassle of intricate assembly. A touch of black sophistication adds style to your kitchen, making the 70585 model a sleek culinary companion. Simplify your kitchen adventures from chopping to slicing and experience the reliability that defines Hamilton Beach. Elevate your culinary game with the Stack and Snap food processor, where efficiency meets excellence in every dish. Liebe&Lecker. The Liebe&Lecker food processor is a powerful kitchen tool that can chop, blend, mince, and puree in just a few seconds. The food processor comes with 2 8-cup bowls, making it easy to chop different ingredients separately. It also has 2 speed modes and non-slip rubber pads for stability. Cleaning is a breeze as all the parts except the motor are dishwasher safe. Powered by a robust 350W motor and offering 2-speed options, this food processor adapts to your every need. Whether you're seeking precision for delicate tasks or power for tougher ingredients, Liebe&Lecker has you covered. The thoughtful design ensures efficiency, while the sharp blades guarantee a quick and precise chopping experience. Elevate your cooking game with the Liebe&Lecker food processor, where innovation meets functionality, making it the go-to choice for discerning chefs. From meal prep to gourmet creations, trust Liebe&Lecker to deliver excellence in every slice, chop, and grind. The meat grinder function, adorned with 4 large, sharp blades, effortlessly tackles fruits, meat, vegetables, baby food, and nuts. Oster. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can blend, chop, and grind food, the Oster 3-in-1 Kitchen System Blender with Texture Select settings is a great choice. It's powerful, easy to use, and has a range of useful features that makes it a must-have for any home cook. The Texture Select settings allow you to choose between thin, medium, and thick consistencies, making it easy to customize your blend texture based on the recipe or your taste. The 1200-watt motor and extra-large 3-inch 6-point stainless steel blade with dual-direction blade technology provide ultra-powerful blending and food chopping performance. The 8-cup dishwasher safe and BPA-free plastic jar is extra large, making it perfect for easy blending and cleaning. Overall, we highly recommend the Oster 3-in-1 Kitchen System Blender with Texture Select settings for anyone who needs a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of tasks. It's easy to use, powerful, and has a range of useful features that make it a great investment for any home cook. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.